After 24 hours, with distilled water, and after 3 days, you can use mild facial wash to start applying sunscreen and moisturizer. Apply repair moisturizing cream, rejuvenating ampoule, then sunscreen twice a day. We highly recommend the brand of Wonder Cream Moisturizer and Soldam Rejuvenating Ampoule. Apply twice a day. And do not expose under the sun. At least 5 days, always apply sunscreen. Downtime, minimal swelling and redness. Mawawala din po yun after a few days. Last benefits of La Playa is unique sunning skin, then create aqua bright skin tone, re-reduce niya yung wrinkles and fine lines, then filler-like effect, and mag-rejuvenate and mag-increase yung elasticity, then antioxidant, moisturize yung dull skin, and mag-shrink yung large pores, then mag-brighten yung skin. And we recommend La Playa for those who want to increase elasticity and collagen to worsening elastosis, yung mga severe dry skin, and those who reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and skin that needs to rejuvenate. Maganda po itong si La Playa para ma-rejuvenate or mag-glow yung face ng client natin. And after first session, makikita na po natin yung result niya. Basta i-assess lang nyo yung mga skin condition ng ating client before tayo mag-recommend ng any premium na gamot ng Aurora. So before and after, this one session po ito. Ang target niya is severe dryness po yung client and may dark spot. Yung sa nasolabial folds niya, nag-glow po yung skin ng client. Then, minimize yung kanyang nasolabial. Then, dito sa around mouth, nag-light po yung area dito sa may mouth niya.